Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial. A federal judge has temporarily blocked the Biden administration's new Title IX rule, which expands protections for LGBTQ plus students in Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, Tennessee, Virginia, and West Virginia. U.S. District Judge Danny C. Reeves described the regulation as arbitrary and issued a preliminary injunction. This follows a similar ruling in 4 other states amid multiple lawsuits from Republican-led states. Kentucky's GOP Attorney General Russell Coleman praised the verdict, asserting the regulation exceeds the Department of Education's authority. The contested rule aims to enhance protections against sexual harassment and safeguard LGBTQ plus students' rights. In other developments, Japan is experiencing a record outbreak of streptococcal toxic shock syndrome, STSS, with 977 cases and 77 deaths recorded by June 2nd. STSS, caused by Group A Streptococcus, GAS, has a mortality rate of up to 30% and can lead to severe symptoms and organ failure. The surge surpasses last year's record of 941 cases. Experts suggest weakened immunity post-COVID-19 may contribute to the rise, but the exact cause remains unclear. Similar increases in invasive GAS infections have been reported globally as pandemic restrictions eased. In other news, Surgeon General Dr. Vivek Murthy has urgently called on Congress to mandate warning labels on social media apps, likening them to those on cigarettes and alcohol, highlighting a mental health crisis among youth. Murthy cited studies showing a significant risk of depression linked to social media usage. He emphasized the need for legislative action to address this issue, as existing measures have been inadequate. Murthy's appeal follows his May 2023 advisory on the risks of social media and his ongoing efforts to raise awareness and advocate for stricter regulations to protect children's mental health. In other developments, Maryland Governor Wes Moore issued a mass pardon for more than 175,000 marijuana convictions, reflecting changing public attitudes toward the drug. The pardons, primarily for low-level possession and paraphernalia charges, aim to alleviate the disproportionate impact on black and brown communities. This historic action, coinciding with Juneteenth, follows Maryland's recent legalization of recreational marijuana. Although it won't free incarcerated individuals, it will erase thousands of misdemeanor records. This move is part of a broader national shift, with the Biden administration also pushing to reclassify marijuana as a lower-risk substance. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.